Hi, this is the Fitbit Air, and in contrast to most other devices, it does not actually have a documented factory reset process. Instead, it clears its own data and settings when it gets synced to a new Google account and a new device. In this video, I will therefore cover how to completely remove the Fitbit Air in question from your phone and Google account, and then how to connect the Fitbit to a new account and phone. Please note that in order for example, a new user to be able to use your old Fitbit, you don't actually need to reset it, since, well, you can't really. What you can do though is to disconnect the unit completely from your Google account and phone. So let's start with that. First, in the Google Health app, click on the Devices tab up to the left and then select your Fitbit Air unit. Then scroll down to the bottom and select System followed by Disconnect Device. Here, make sure that all the data you want from the Fitbit Air unit is synced to your phone and the Google Health app before proceeding. Then click Disconnect to disconnect it from the Google Health app. After this, it is also recommended to completely remove the Bluetooth connection for the Fitbit Air unit from your phone. Here I am using an iPhone, but the process is basically exactly the same on an Android phone as well, meaning enter your phone's settings and then its Bluetooth settings. Here, locate the Fitbit Air in the list of connected devices and choose to forget it. And that is basically what you want to do before selling or getting rid of the unit and giving it to someone else. Not that any data is actually saved on the Fitbit Air itself or can be accessed from another Google account, but so that you have at least removed everything regarding it from your Google Health app and your phone. From here though, to connect the Fitbit Air to either your own phone again or to another phone, the process is then just like the normal setup one was initially. That is, starting the Google Health app and then selecting to search for any new Fitbit Air devices. If nothing happens here and the Fitbit has completely drained of power, it might first need to be turned on, something that is done by placing it on the charger that in turn needs to be connected to power. If this for some reason does not work and the Fitbit Air can't be found, one thing that usually kickstarts the whole process is to perform a restart of the unit itself. This is done by, again, while being connected to the charger, pushing the little button on the back of the charger for about 10 seconds, whereupon the Fitbit Air unit then restarts and it should be ready for connecting to the app and phone. From here, it is then just a matter of following the on-screen instructions to set the Fitbit Air up again like normal. Alright, that is about that. Please though share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.